so good and I know what you're offering. Phone's lighting up, I'm just gonna let it ring. Yeah, my phone's lighting up, I'm just gonna let it ring. Is it the liquor in my system? My desires are so real. Got me caught up in this rhythm. Draw me in, make me feel. Draw me in, make me feel. Draw me in, make me feel. But you look so good and I know what you're offering. Phone's lighting up, I'm just gonna let it ring. Yeah, my phone's lighting up, I'm just gonna let it ring. Is it the liquor in my system? My desires are so real. Got me caught up in this rhythm. Draw me in and make me feel. Make me
Good morning all. Yes sir. Hope everyone is well, hope everyone is good. Happy Wednesday today. See what we got going on in the markets here. Have a look at everything. And where is this, man? Where is this? That's not good. Give me 1 sec. All right. Let's get it. See what we got going on for today. Start off with the news here. Have a look at what's going on there. Today's Wednesday. We have World Economic Forum is happening. So we have that. That's what WEF is. So we're going to see what's going on there. Trump speaks at 5:30 p.m. That's a big one, huh? Trump speech. The Joker card. So I think that's the major one for today, man, is going to be this. We obviously have GBP CPI, expecting inflation to come back a little bit higher than expected. If it does, we will see more GBP strength come into the market here, right? So if we see CPI continue to go up, we saw that being priced in yesterday, got sold into. But we'll speak about that. Gold, obviously, amazing rally on gold. Check out Asian session today, man. This is market open. Today we have pushed since market open 1,200 pips. Yo. 1,200 pips. That is nuts. What a move. Some of my guys who trade in Asian session, one of them took a setup 3 here. Some of the guys in the group, what were they taking? Let's have a look. Sheesh, man. From market open, setup 1. That's a big one. That's a very big one. Check these ones. That's a nice one as well. Setup 2 inside the range to get out the range. Very cool. Well done. This one here, continuation play, current candle stop. Yeah, man. Asian cooking, bro. Cooking. Setup 2 on gold runners. And where are they taking setup 2 from? Shit, in the range as well, huh? Sheesh. 6 setups in Asian, man. Really. 20 ampere guy is holding. Yes, he is. He took setup 3. You know? So, Asian's cooking, man. If you're up in Asian, definitely worth. I'm even considering now, man. Problem is I can't. I'll have to sleep in London. I just hate my day to be operated like that. It's so weird. You know? Wake up 3 a.m. Trade from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Sleep 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's not enough. I need 8 hours. Yeah, man, it's so complex. But it's amazing price action. So hopefully you guys can learn from the setups though. To learn from the setups is good. Let's have a look at what's going on in the Reddit space though. Always entertains me. Start off the morning seeing what's going on here. The hard truth is trading won't save you. A lot of people start trading with the goal of leading a 9 to 5 behind. The reality most won't reach that outcome. Yes, not because they aren't capable, because it simply doesn't fit everyone. Just like any skill, it suits some better than others. This doesn't mean to discourage anyone, but to be honest about expectation, trading takes time, focus, certain mindset. And even then, results aren't guaranteed. Some people keep pushing because they've already invested a lot, even when progress isn't there. Being realistic about that early can save both time and energy in the long run. Definitely true. It is not for everyone, and you have to have a certain level of commitment. But you have to... So there's a famous saying, right? There's a famous saying that says... not famous saying though, but maybe you heard it before. I think it's a Chinese saying maybe. But what it says is it says that I once found a pig. I took the pig home and cleaned the pig. When I released the pig, he returned back to the mud. Okay? Meaning that when you say I can help change a person, some people can just not change, right? No matter what you do, no matter what you try, they just won't change, right? And this happens in trading. The person who you are right now, if you're not profitable, that is not the person who's going to become profitable. You have it in you, but there has to be a massive change. Me 4 years ago, 5 years ago, I was completely different than who I am today. Right? And I had to make that change, although very much the same in my persona. But the way I had to think, you know, in trading, it's the complete opposite. We have to reprogram the human brain because everything that the human brain wants is not what succeeds in trading, right? We want fast results, doesn't happen. We want to feel emotional about the trade, doesn't help us. We want to feel FOMO, doesn't help us. We want to feel greed, doesn't help us. So this is honestly, you know, a truth here. So you have to make this complete change. I repeat this to a lot of people about making the change. Fear, everything, man, everything. This one is someone speaking about medical school compared to trading, right? Some people spend 15 years in medical school. People spend a year in trading. What actually changed after I became consistent after 4 years? So this will be interesting. Let's see what actually changed. I'm going to try sum it up. The short version, it wasn't a new setup. We know that. Right? The problem wasn't knowledge, it was execution, right? That's very important. I always tell people, you can watch YouTube. YouTube can get you information, but the application, which is execution, is what's going to take you further. Emotional involvement, also, of course. I was way too tight to every trade. Every red felt personal. Yes. What changed? Okay, this is what we want to see. it was trading less. Fewer days, fewer setups, hard daily loss limits, stop early when I was off. It felt like it could make it back. The biggest shift was adding structure before and after trades, not just during them. I made a strict habit, look back at the trades that I journaled and reflected upon it. It's the basic stuff that I repeat day in and day out that is getting people that we can see on a daily basis. We're opening Reddit. Daily basis, and we're seeing the same patterns repeat that I repeat to you guys. If it's worked for me, it's worked for others, it can work for you, right? Remember, I am no different than any one of you, right? I sucked at trading. I hated trading at one point. I wish I never started trading at one point. It sucked, man. It really was the worst thing, you know, because all I did was come to it and lose, you know. It was like the worst. There was many points in my journey that I literally thought to myself, why the hell did I even start this? Like, what's the point of this? This is like a useless thing for me, man. All it does is causing me huge mental strain, you know. And then I thought to myself, bro, you're just being a pussy. It's all by a choice. And that was life-changing when I realized I'm here by choice. No one forced me to do that. Tomorrow I could leave, but I didn't want to because I knew I could do something with it. So I changed my expectations, I changed my persona, and I changed how I go day to day as a person. And then I started to see results in trading. And I realized that, hey, actually, this was a massive change that helped me, right? Massive change that helped me. This guy is gonna go and become gay. So he started trading TGR strategy, which is close to ICT, and now he's considering to go to the source and trade ICT next. Let's see what people are saying. Oh, only 10 minutes ago. Man. Join the conversation, we need to log in. But, you know, if I join this conversation, I'm banned from this. I'm banned from this. You know? So it would be a big problem. Anyways, let's have a look at the charts here, because we've been having a pullback here. Been having a pullback. So let's see what's going on with the pullback. Oh man, this mosquito just flew straight past me. Why would you be banned? Because you have no idea what I'm about to write if I had to write something. You know? So, today is interesting day, guys. Interesting day. 1,200 pip move. 1,200 pip move. So, there's a big chance, not big chance, but there's a chance we could range today. It's not given, but we have to expect it. You know? We have to expect it. All right? So, obviously, if we're looking here at 4-hour candles, everything is freaking bullish as hell, man. I don't think it takes a rocket scientist to understand everything is going to the moon. So, a pullback in ideal scenarios right now should be, right? Should be buys. But this is the biggest 1-hour candle we've had since market open, and actually since yesterday, man. We have not had such a big 1-hour engulfing. Actually, no candle has engulfed as much as this candle has. So this is something new. Definitely indicating a short-term high for sure. For sure, this is going to lead into some short-term high. Whether we consolidate in here, V-shaped recovery, wow. Trump speech is coming. I feel like market will stay below this high until Trump speeches. Could be wrong. It makes sense to me. Remember, to get back to these highs is no joke, right? From where we are right now, it's about 400 pip range. So that's big, man. That's a big range, 400 pips. 5 minute has not even had one pullback. This is some heavy profit taking coming in right now. Heavy profit taking coming in. People closing their orders. And we're almost back to the structural point. So we could see some buys back up. I don't trust these buys to go all the way back up here, to be honest, in one clean, move. Like Juan said, maybe a setup 2 for a lower high potential, yeah, or at least a bounce play type of thing we could look at, right? Try to play a little bit of a bounce, see where it ends us up, and then we take it from there, right? We take it from there. So let's let a bit more price action develop at the lows here. See if we want to create supports, or are we just going to continue down, start to break ranges? Because right now, we just have straight 5 minute candles closing bearish, right? So with this, it's too late to sell. I don't want to be a seller at the lows right now and just jump in because of FOMO. That is not a good idea at this point here. Nor do I just want to rip a buy without any support creation. So gonna wait a little bit here and see what happened. Let's see what happened with CPI news. Yeah, nothing. GBP is kind of dead these days. Looking at DAX here. DAX is interesting. Daily time frame came back to this big retest zone. If you guys were listening on yesterday's stream, I spoke about how I'm interested at this zone here. Today, if you sleep on it, this can actually start to play out, right? This can start to play out. And we have the 4-hour change of structure. To be honest, I quite like the way that this is forming here, you know. For me, this is quite interesting here. Yeah, man, pretty interesting. Pretty damn interesting. So, I'm more on the bullish side here. To come back and test even up into this gap eventually. Man. Looking at this, man, I'm thinking if I want to just play the 4-hour for London session, man. That's what I'm trying to think right now. If I just want to play the 4-hour. I think DAX has been easier on higher time frames. You know, we've seen a lot of BS. You know? Like lower time frame, I'm looking how to get in. I don't even see a clear way to get in. I'm just scared we get stuck in this consolidation. Only way I could buy back above this range here. That could be an idea. Let me see how much this would be. Yeah, I'm not 100% convinced, but I do like it, so I will take a bit of a swing. Leave this for the session. So this is a bit different trade though. Let's see what that does. So I take that as a swing, right? As a swing on my swing account. Bit different. Do not copy as if you don't know what you're doing. My swing account's doing well. I have that from last year's trades as well. So yeah. Why do you always stick to fucking DAX? Go gold, ES or NQ. Fuck's sake, man. Fuck you, bro. Come on. That's how he's typing. That's literally how he's typing behind the screen. Because I see a setup in DAX. That's why I was trading DAX. Now I'm back on gold. We just analyzed gold. I told you the entries I'm looking for gold. NASDAQ, we haven't analyzed NASDAQ yet. That's next. Right? So after I'm analyzing NASDAQ, I go down my list. So now I can go and analyze NASDAQ as well. So NASDAQ hasn't reached daily support yet. 4-hour time frame has created support at this zone that we had from yesterday. So there's a chance we can come back up towards these highs, 4-hour resistance. If not, we're going to stay in here a little bit longer. Quite nice range we have here on 1 hour. Very nice on 30 minute. Very good on 15 minute. So we could push up a little bit higher into these 25s here. We haven't had any liquidity grabs just yet. So I feel like we might need a liquidity grab. That's what NQ likes to do, right? So NQ likes to go for a liquidity grab. So I'll be looking for buys above here. But what I would like to see is a liquidity grab first. You know? That's what I would like to do. I'd like to see price maybe come back above here. Then we pull back and I take an entry from this liquidity grab instead of ripping the highs. Or we create structure, which is a form of liquidity, and then we close above to continue. This is what NQ likes to do, right? NQ likes to grab liquidity. Like, I'm going to show you this pattern, okay? And now you guys are going to have a bit of a, aha, that makes sense. So if we look at this consolidation, V-shape recovery, candle closes above the high, then we fail first, right? Then look what we do here. Lots of liquidity grab. First support gets grabbed. Second support as well, liquidity grab. Then we make ourselves back up to a new high. After we make ourselves back up to a new high, again it comes down for a liquidity grab. So your buys are here. So if we can come back into here again, maybe leave a wick like this, then that's going to be my buys on NQ. Right? That's where I'm going to be able to profit off. Because I don't want to be the guy buying here, having to run stop loss all the way below here, and then even get unlucky and then see shoop straight into that zone back there. That's going to be really bad. That's going to be really bad if that happens, you know? So we have closed above here for now. Could you check plans real quick? What in the plan? You need to be actively thinking because you've listened to my plan. So what is different from your plan than my plan? Then that's what I need to check, because there's no point in me checking that's something I spoke about. Do you use supply and demand when swing trading? Yeah, I do use supply and demand. Anyone took this? When was this? Yeah, so that's what we were speaking about, right? You want to be in from here is the good one. So if we pull back again, I'll be interested. Done for the day. This is always nice. Maybe I can add on to this position as well. We'll see. Can you make a video about it someday? I have basic videos online about it, yes. You can check it out. And then I also have a video in the exclusive group in it. But there is a basic video on my YouTube channel. It's called Swing Trading Strategy. If you just scroll down, you can see a bit of how the strategy is. Let's see where it is. There it is, Swing Trading. But it's more of a basic video. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the analysis, make sure to leave a like on the stream. 200 of us in here, only 30 likes. Get the likes up to 100, would appreciate it. Let's go. Time for action. Let's check how my gold position is doing. Yeah, very good, my gold position. It's gone a bit out my chart, but still in profit. Still in profit. Just need to adjust my boxes. But strat is still working. How the fuck did you tilt it? I drew it, I drew it. What in the sideways position is that? New strategy, man. You can't lose. It's courage to trade DAX at the moment. Economic problems. Yeah, it's a bit ballsy. But it's just how DAX has been. DAX has been nicer on higher time frames. Like lower time frames been a mess, so I rather just execute on higher time frames. So NQ continuing up here. We don't have 5-minute structure or anything just yet, so we would like to see some 5-minute structure because we also need somewhere to put a stop loss. Putting stop loss here, it's not protected by too much. So let's see. When I backtest, NAS data shows positive growth, but when I trade live results, you get negative. Well, I don't know. I don't know your trades, bro. Can't tell you what's going on if I don't know your trades. So there's obviously something going on, right? So we need to see. You can't lose and you can't hedge? Yeah. It's evergreen. This is my hack, man. Infinite money printer. Just need to fix my position. It's gone a bit overboard here. Because now we're in a bigger position now. Like this. But still in profits here. Maybe 1 to 10 risk to reward right now. It's doing pretty well. So gold, first green candle after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. 9 5-minute bearish candles. And about 3 15-minute bearish candles. So 3, 15, 9. So we're seeing a little bit of cool down. It's reacting to this previous structural point we have here, right? This is our first major structure since we had the breakout. So we had this breakout and this was a structural point. So we're just holding support here. I suggest you trail your profits. No, I really feel confident about that trade. I feel like it can continue to push. Is this going to the pit or chance of revival? If we can hold this level, create structure, I think we could see some upside. You're holding cells with gold? No, I'm not holding cells with gold. Why are people telling you how to trade when they're watching you? That's pretty normal, man. People have their opinions of what they feel is best, not best. What would you like to see before you start to buy gold? So at least a 15-minute candle close bullish. That's step number 1. So we have 4 minutes for that potentially to happen. And then once I see a 15-minute candle close bullish, would like to see probably like a 5-minute structure formation or something. Just to give me confidence that, okay, we're doing something, you know? Thoughts on long-term 1-year China 50? You want me to look at it? I don't know China 50. Do you have any other entrepreneurial endeavor aside for YouTube and trading? I'm looking for more ways to earn money. Yeah, I own another company as well, but that's not paying me. It's paying staff though. YouTube doesn't pay me, man. I'll show you how much I make on YouTube. Why does that open like that? That's weird. Okay. I'll show you how much I make on YouTube. So, per stream, if you want to see how much I make per stream, and this is what people won't show you. So per stream, I make about $2 per stream, right? But here's the interesting part. I also make other content, right? And some of these videos can make more money depending on how well they do. But it doesn't add up to much because they tax around 40%. So I'm going to show you. Total I make is about $193. $193 with 100,000 subscribers, right? Because I'm posting mostly value-based content, not hype stuff. So yeah, $193, and then you lose about 30 to 40% sometimes when you withdraw that. So it doesn't pay enough. Like that's per month, huh? So I don't think it would be enough. And this is after all this time with all the videos on my channel, right? Because that's combined revenue from all the videos. So then why YouTube? Oh, because I have other companies as well, right? Plus, I enjoyed it, man. I've been doing it for a long time. Like, you need to build a personal brand, right? So I own PipLabs. PipLabs is a backtesting software, market analysis. So that's a great way to promote that as well. I also have my private group, right? That's another income source. So that pays around 2.5K. Plus, I enjoy it. I like to, like, I don't want to be trading alone as well, right? I don't like trading alone. I find it a little bit boring. I like to have a community. I like to teach. It's always been something. And I felt like I was going to get... The reason I started YouTube is because I knew if I could teach the concept, I would be good at it. So I always would get my knowledge to a stage where I was able to teach the concept. So yeah. Also, we have something cool, guys. We have something cool. I'm gonna show you. once we start analyzing the market. I started something new. Want you guys to join it. It will be helpful for a lot of you guys. I'm gonna share it with you. Plus, I find ultimate satisfaction. It feels really good to see people succeed, you know? Like when I get messages like this, you know, people passing accounts, you know, people pulling out 12K from the market, you know? Yesterday I had another guy, 28K, you know, pulling 3K from the market. And these are real results. I'm not going to lie to you about this, 100%. You know, and this is like it's a different feeling. I don't know how to explain it, you know? It's a different feeling. You know, when you work with people together for a while and you're in the same journey, they're pushing hard, you're pushing hard. Very hard to get bored in that environment or not succeed in that environment. You know? Others around you pulling 5-figure payouts from the market is insane, guys. It's insane. You know? And that's what people need, man. In this industry, we have too much BS as well, right? So you want to create a space where people can learn and benefit of that as well. So those are all the reasons, you know? And there's many more smaller reasons here and there. Like, there's a lot of reasons. So we have a beautiful level here at 50. Right, this 50 level, if we can create structure now and then get back above 50, we could buy above 50 or we can buy back towards 50. We're going to see how it forms because that depends on how it forms. We have to see how it forms. Am I nuts? So gold 50-minute candle is 134 pips? You're not nuts, man. You need to be measuring. You need to be measuring. A lot of people are not going to measure their lot size today and get cooked, huh? So make sure you're measuring your lot sizes accurately. So we want structure here. We want structure here. Oh, wow. Today is a very special day today, guys. Very special day. Very special day. Today we have the President of the United States giving us a visit here on stream before his speech today. Very good. We need to post that. You know, President of United States making a visit on our stream today ahead of his speech. So shout out to him. Everyone in chat, say hello to the president. No, Nightbot deleted your message. You have to send it back. Nightbot, what did you do? I need his message back. Can you believe Nightbot banned him, bro? No! Hello, Nightbot. Too many caps. Nightbot banned him, man. That is absolutely crazy. NQ not ready yet. No, now he's got upset, man. You have to send the message again, man. Shit, man. Now we lost. We still have it here, though. Man, what drama. Here we go. Today, very special day. We have President of the United States showing up to stream today. So shout out to him. He's telling us to buy Trump coin ahead of his speech today. So he is speaking today and he decides to show up to stream. So welcome, Mr. Donald Trump. All right, nice. We have some structure forming here. So we'll be able to take potential buys back above here. Can be interesting. So I like this. This is what we wanted to see. Please tag him. Can I tag? Does he have Instagram? I'm gonna tag him. Oh man, my camera filmed super bad quality. I need to film that again. What shitty quality. I need to film that again. Today we have Mr. Donald Trump making an appearance in stream. Ahead of his speech today. If you ever noticed, he is speaking today. There he is, President Trump speaks. So he's come visit our stream. Very special guest today. Everyone's very happy to have him here on stream today. Shout out to President of the United States. Can you imagine? Today we have Mr. Donald Trump making an appearance in stream. Ahead of his speech today. If you ever noticed, he is speaking today. There he is, President Trump speaks. So he's come visit our stream. Very special guest today. Everyone's very happy to have him here on stream today. Shout out to President of the United States. Today we have Mr. Donald Trump making an appearance in stream. Ahead of his speech today. Should I tag him? Imagine he sees and we get banned, guys. If he sees, it's gonna go either you know. Man, I'm putting it. I tagged Donald Trump in this. Do the Trump dance. President of the United States has come. All right, so let's see if these buys can cook up here. See what Nas is doing, slowly making structure. Not bad. Insane. How's our DAX doing? Yeah, it's okay. So guys, one thing I wanted to announce today is some people were complaining that they wanted some interactions, maybe some plans that I send on stream to be written out because they can't always watch stream. They want some help in New York, some stuff like that. And I thought to myself, you know what? We can make a little bit of an announcement channel, a Telegram where we can, give out some amazing value there. So we started this Telegram. We're going to be posting stream plans, stuff like that for people who can't watch stream. It's free. We called it Profit Lab because, branch of Pip Labs, I guess. So I'm going to send you guys the link. Join up. It's going to be a lot of value in there. Here's the link. Would like to see you guys in there. We're going to be sending help you guys with New York, trade ideas, swing trade, stuff like that, man. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. Trade results, all of that stuff. So go ahead, join. How much, sir, to join? No, that's free, that Telegram. So join up, guys. Thought 600? No, what 500? It's free, it's free. It's for people who can't join stream, or they want more information after stream, updates about the trades I'm taking. So I post in Discord like this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing some breakdowns for you guys. You see these trades? I'm going to break them down, what we took, maybe what I'm looking for. We're going to be doing giveaways from there, so it's easily. So all of this stuff. So join up, guys. Join up. Don't miss out. Trust me. All right, 1 minute for this candle to close above. No bottom wick on previous candle. When does 15 closes as well here? $15 closes as well here. So this is interesting. Big stop loss we have. About 70 pips here, 90 pips back up to there. 1 minute has no structure. Damn, that is a problem, guys. Because the way that we've moved up here, link on YouTube. Yeah, I can send it here, guys. I mean, you guys get more in the exclusive video analysis and obviously live trading, but just to help people out. I'll pay you $5 million. Bro, Trump is going to pay me $5 million. That's amazing, man. That'd be a dream. If you pay me $5 million, every stream I'll wear a Trump hat. MAGA. You'll see MAGA hat on my head. I'll wear a shirt with your name on it as well every stream. I promise. Also change the color of your hair. Okay, I'll change the color of my hair to Trump color for $5 million. No problem. I'll do that for Trump. Beautiful people here. Thank you, Mr. Trump. Thank you. Can we say that Trump has approved this stream? This is Trump's favorite stream. So here's the problem with gold. We're not above 50. So we need to get above 50 for gold. We can take buys. Well, I'm planning buys above 50. That's my plan. Unfortunately, those in China are not as beautiful. They have been not cooperative with us. Oh no. We need to tariff China and Canada. Oh man. As soon as he says that, I get message from the FTA. I swear. As soon as he said that, I got message from FTA. Let me show you in the camera. Can you guys see that in the camera? FTA. Federal Tax Authority. Can you imagine? Right, we're creating some 1 minute structure. I promise. Look, look, look. Can you guys see it? That says FTA. Look. Focus. Focus. That says FTA. All right, how long to this 5 minute closes? 2 minutes for the 5 minute to close. We could close above and then look for buys. We have 1 minute structure. We'd have to be a little bit aggressive because of this, you know. What tax you have to pay? Here we have VAT returns. You have to do VAT returns. Give me a sec, guys. I'll be back. Just need to go toilet. Back in time, back in time. See if we close above here. We need a bottom wick here and then we can look for buys. Stop, we'd run aggressive stop loss. Like a 30 pip stop. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. Breaking this high up here, the highest high. Stop below there. Let's see how it goes. Whoa, there we go. Should be triggered on that. Yep. Let's see how it goes here. Nice push. Nice. Gonna be moving stops to break even here, making it risk free. Big 1 minute push. All right, we're gonna be closing some position here. Just close some of my position, leaving the rest to run. Let's see how this goes. Nice. There's no 1 minute structure, so I want to close some more there. Because there's no 1 minute structure, then I just leave a small runner. So now I've secured at least here around 1.1%. And then I can leave the rest to run now. So nice one, man. Nice one. Beautiful stop loss we got. 38 pip stop less. 36 pip stop loss. 50 pip. Since I closed like around 90, just want to leave a moon boy runner for fun. And that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave the moon boy runner to run. Beautiful trade. Nice and simple. Waited for the plan. Went to piss. Came back. Plan happened. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. We literally talked about that. Very happy with that. And yeah, beautiful morning. Very nice. 1150. Now we have 1 minute structure. It's nice, but we need a bottom wick. But we do have some sort of 1 minute structure. See how it executed on this as well. See how both went. So leave a W in chat if you took that with us. Show some love on the stream. I'm only seeing few W's. Let's go, guys. Check this out. Gold buys in profit here. Easy 1K on the day. On stream, President of the United States giving me insights. You don't have more powerful. Check this out. Can't fake it. Happened live. Go watch the replay. Let's get it.
Hey, Harry.
Yo, man.
Yo. So something interesting I noticed today. I always make plans, you know, but today I posted my plan. The plan was exactly what took place right here. And one thing I found interesting, by the way, I took the trade. Thank you. It was great. Excellent. But I also took a trade before that. When it started rejecting, it didn't follow the rules. Like it was like FOMO, whatever. It went up a little. I closed it. It was like 5 trades that I closed, like 0.2 RR each. So. But the point is that I was trying to make is that when you have a plan, even when your entries are not accurate, even if you are, even if you think it's FOMO, it's really not, because if it's following the plan, it's not. It's following something that you were predicting, and it's pretty interesting. Like it's pretty cool, like how you can even
Of
get away
course.
with being, you know, a little off. But yeah.
100%. I just want to show people where my original stop loss was. Closed at about this candle high here. Just so people, but my stops are at entries. So yeah, make sure you guys as well join that Telegram. We're going to be posting breakdowns, analysis, help you guys a bit with NY, some higher time frame stuff. Going to make a great insight channel. I'm going to host some webinars in there for you guys once or twice just to help you guys out. You know, going to make it good. Going to, you know, give you guys some value. It's nice to have an announcement channel. You know, it's going to be nice to have an announcement channel somewhere where I can speak to you guys, tell you guys what's happening on stream. You know, it's like an Instagram story, but for, you know, we're going to do it more focused on trading. Anyways, I put in the chat, I put what's going to be there. So we're going to have daily overviews, trading insights, ideas, results, execution, you know, what we're doing, how much we're making, how we're doing it, some resources to learn the price action strategy, when YouTube videos, stuff like that. Why is creators switching from Discord to Telegram? I'll tell you why I'm going to Telegram from Discord. So in my free Discord group here, there's so many channels, which is great. It's great to have so many channels, and it's nice for people to want to speak, but it's very hard for me to connect my audience because no one checks it. Discord spams, right? When everyone sends a message, you're getting pinged a notification, right? You're getting pinged a notification. In the Telegram channel, it's like an announcement channel. So I'll be able to connect with you guys without you guys being spammed, because everything that I send will be some sort of value, right? Whereas on Discord, it's just people sending like all this, which is great for people who want to chat. But like if I post an upload for all my trades here, you can see like there's only 11 reaction here. Not many people are going to see it because their Discords are just full. They're just full of different notifications. So I just want a place where I can connect a little bit more, you know? Man, crazy to see how well lads are doing with their funded accounts. Yeah, man, we've been killing it, man. It's only January. I'm very happy to see the progression with the guys in the group. It's been great, guys. It's been great. It's been great. You know? That's it, man. The value that we have going on right now with the guys and all of this has just been great, you know? I mean, we've had some amazing things, and I look forward to keep on seeing it again and again and again and again and again. Like now it's just on and upwards, right? Would you stream NY again? Bro, we're having daily NY streams in the exclusive group. So I like that, man. Yesterday I was streaming NY. I'll probably pop in today. I popped in Friday as well. Like, I like the vibe we got going on in there. It's very serious NY. It's we get a lot done. If there was a big audience for my channel during NY, I'd probably stream it on YouTube as well for some time. How much runner you left? I don't know. What is this? I put a 3 lot. I closed 2.5. So what is that? 25%? 25%? DAX down 70%. Yeah, I'm running completely different on that, man. Swing trade. I'm even moving it, even give myself more room. Swing trades are different, man. So I'm probably going to run below the whole range for DAX. Leave it for and see how I manage that. Yeah, runner's going well now. About 60 pips up on runner. That's what I mean about the swing trade, man. It's not a session trade. It's completely different. Nice, man. What a push. I'm super tempted to close full at the 60 level. Man.
Harry, let me ask you this. On gold here, we had like a setup 3 type of thing. I know we already had the push, and of course it's better to get in earlier than later, but do you think it would still be valid? I know it pushed already, obviously, it's valid, but would it be valid before the actual push?
No.
No? Why not?
I'm not. It's pushed already, you know?
Because I already had the push. Got it. Thank you.
Like, that's just FOMO, right?
Yeah. Well, we haven't hit the target yet, but I see what you're saying, yeah.
Yeah, but then why, like, you know, you're entering after 3 big candles. If you're entering here. You might as well just hold. If it fails, comes back to entry, doesn't matter. You're not going to be screwed from that. You could use that as a scale-in position. That's a potential, huh? Scale-in position.
Can you explain?
Like, you know, add to the current position you have.
Okay. And still have the stop loss, so yeah, okay, got it. Thank you.
I don't know if I want to close full here. Man, we're up about over 100 pips now. Fuck's sake. Do I take it all or what?
Give it some time.
Yeah, but there's no bottom wick, man. That's what I'm worried about.
I would just put my stop loss at the bottom before for a max bottom wick. That's what I would do, personally.
Now you could put your stop loss here to trail. Close small and leave a small one running. Yeah, man, let's do that. Let's leave a small one running, like just a fun one. Yeah, so we'll close some more there, 100 pips, and take and then leave the rest for Moonboy Runner, man. See if we can get back and maybe V-shape recovery. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter too much. Imagine coming back NYSE and you're up another 1,000 pips. Yeah, that would be sick. Then you're always sitting there thinking, oh, I wish I left more. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave the rest now. Now if it comes back, I've already made more than enough here, you know? So with all my closes here, so if I left full original position, this would have been a 1 to 3. But with all my closes here, how much do you make? About like 1.6%, I would assume. Something like that if I had to imagine. Yeah. It's good anyways, it's good. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna hop off, man. It's been targeting 60 level. When did you write that? 1207? I think we tapped the 60 level, bro. I think the 60 level has been well crossed already. Great session. Appreciate everyone showing up as always. And happy we got gold. Gold plan played out nicely here. Simple little analysis. Luckily we got a pullback before the stream here. Otherwise it would have been very difficult if we were sitting at the highs. Would have got a lot of BS. And yeah, so this should be nice if we can get more continuation. And appreciate you all showing up. Make sure you leave a like before you leave. We'll catch you guys hopefully very, very soon. Much love and peace. Cheers, guys. Cheers. See you.